Here's the before. All right, here we go. This is my first video, and I just wanted to do a quick video of getting ready with me so that you can see what the process is like for the Envy, the Aerosol Airbrush, and the skincare that I've been using. My purple hair is fading out very nicely. Super excited. My son's napping, so I figured what better way than right now to go ahead and give this little thing a whirl. So I started, I've already washed my face. This is the Luminesce, the Youth Restoring Cleanser. I actually take it and I put it in a foaming bottle so that I can get a little more bang for my buck. And I really like a foaming cleanser. So I've already washed my face with that. And I am gonna put on a little bit of the Cellular Rejuvenation Serum, also by Luminesce. I just put a little dot on my hand and I just pat it in. That's all you're gonna do. This is gonna be the serum. It's got the APT 200 in it, which is the exclusive ingredient to Jeunesse and the Luminesce line that is going to talk to your skin cells and turn it over. And it's gonna work a little bit differently on everybody. So the way that it affects me and the way that it works with my skin might be different than how it works with you and your skin. But all you have to do is pat it on and let this dry for just a quick couple of seconds. If you're gonna be putting on your makeup, you obviously wanna make sure that you're having a good clean canvas to start on. So I make sure that I've always washed my face and then use the serum. So again, this is the Luminesce, this is the Cellular Rejuvenation Serum, and I make sure that I really get it like kind of under my eyes. You can see I get super dark like underneath my eyes and really pink. This is all me, au naturel. Make sure you let that soak in. You don't want to put your moisturizer on if it hasn't soaked in all the way yet. So go ahead and just wait a couple minutes. You start to kind of feel it get a little bit tight on your skin, which is what I'm feeling right now. So as soon as that's dry, then I'm gonna go in and do my moisturizer. So this is the day cream. This is the Luminesce Daily Moisturizing Complex. And this has SPF 30 in it. And same thing, I just put a little dot on the back of my hand. And with this, you can just rub it in just like regular moisturizer. Don't have to worry about doing a pat or anything like that. So get that all over, all the good spots. I'm really been loving this lately. I haven't really done a whole lot with skincare leading up to this and getting in with, you know, testing out the Luminesce line, but I really, really like how it's making my skin feel. So if you're not doing any kind of a regimen by now, you definitely should be. Make sure my volume is on. Okay, volume was on. Little break. All right, so my moisturizer, my serum is in, and my face has already been cleansed. So I'm gonna go in with my Envy. So this is the quick part. There's 3 cans. This is gonna be your primer. All you do, you shake up the can to start, and it's a quick mist, and that primes everything, your lids, your lashes, your lips, all over. So a quick spray and a quick mist. Done. Everything is primed. The next thing I'm gonna do then where's my sponge? The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take my aerosol cans. I have 2 cans. I am a two color gal. I do shade number 2 for my concealer, and then I do shade number 4 for my primer. So I take a little sponge and I'm shaking my can and spraying a tiny bit on and dab underneath. This is weird, doing it in front of my mirror. And this is buildable, just like regular airbrush foundation. So go ahead, and if you feel like you need more somewhere, do 2 coats. If you feel like you need less, you can do just a spray application. I take whatever's left over on the sponge then, and I'm doing it on my eyelids as well. So just spraying a little bit on each. I like a little bit more coverage underneath my eyes, so I usually do this twice. If you have not a lot of dark circles, you may skip this step, this second step. And then whatever's left over, I take and I put all over any little areas that might be red, anything like that. So that is my shade number 2 that I'm going in with, the Envy shade number 2, okay? Now I'm gonna take my number 3, number 4, and this is where I'm gonna do my foundation. So the way that I apply on myself is a quick mist across my forehead, each cheek and a little bit down the middle. Now I have this like awesome zit over here today that I didn't show you before, but 2 quick little sprays and like all of a sudden my whole face is covered. It's amazing. I take my sponge and I just go back to make sure that I got it everywhere. And if there's any areas that you feel like you need a little bit more coverage, just go ahead and do a directional spray. I like a little bit more full coverage, so I always go back in and make sure that I'm patting everywhere to get it on everything. Okay, so your next step is optional if you want. If you get a little oily, you can take a little bit of powder to set everything. I do like a more matte look when I'm doing my makeup, so that's what I'm gonna do. But it's doing a really good job of covering everything. Like already my skin looks much better. My zit's gone. I'm like starting to come alive. The last can that I'm gonna use for today is the bronzer. Oh, there goes the lid. The bronzer, this is the Aerosol bronzer. And I just spray this as well, the same way that I sprayed before. So I do a little bit across the top. I do a little spray on my cheeks and take my brush or my sponge to blend, just to bring a little bit of color back to my face. All right, so we're 3 minutes down. Here's the rest. I take a blush, smile. This is my husband's favorite part. He loves it when I do this. He says, it looks so funny. Put a little bit of blush on. This is the Laura Geller. Which one was this? Pink Grapefruit. I like this one. And I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I have one of these little eyebrow spoolie situations. It's like a long little guy that I ordered from one of my wholesale suppliers. So I like it because it literally can draw on my eyebrow in like 2 seconds. So I do my eyebrows. Now I have a face. And I'm gonna use a little bit of my Naked palette just to highlight underneath my brow today. A little bit under. And I'm just keeping it simple. It's Saturday. I'm not going anywhere actually that I know of. But I just wanted to hop on here and show you guys a quick little routine. And then I'm gonna top off with my mascara. So I am using, this is the Colossal, the Maybelline Colossal right now. Which I really like this one. This is weird. It's like I can kind of see, but I can't. All right. I might need to hold this up so I can get a little closer for you. I'll have to think about how to speed this up in the future. But for now, here we are. Who else makes a weird face when they're doing the mascara? I feel like it's inevitable. Especially this one. That's the face. Right here. There's the face. Okay. So, the only other thing I'm missing is my lips. Let me go get my lips. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. I got my lipstick. I'm using the Stila All Day Liquid Lip Color, and the shade is Patina. This is my favorite color. I use it every day. Stila All Day Liquid Lip Color. Okay, that's it. I'm done. There's my 5-minute face. Super easy. I love the coverage. I love how easy it is. I love just how natural and just awesome it is to apply. So this is the Aerosol Airbrush by Envy, and then also the Luminesce skincare line that I was talking about. So if you have any questions or you would like to have a shade match, come into the salon and get your Envy makeover, I would be happy to do so. That's about it, really. Super excited. First video down. I'm sure they'll just get better and better. Oh no, lipstick on my teeth. Oh well, normal people problems, you know, that's what happens. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you are interested and want to go ahead and give the Envy a try. It's really super easy for anybody who is not a makeup artist to be able to use. So I wanted to show you guys how great it translates, so that it's really easy for your clients too. So I hope everybody has a good day. I'll talk to you soon. And here's the after. Thank you guys for watching.